Let's learn how you can get back old Instagram look. So let us start by opening our Instagram application. When you do that, you will have to go to your profile. To do that, click on your profile icon in bottom right corner. Then click on three horizontal lines in top right corner that will lead you to settings. When you do that, you will have to scroll down and find what you see up section, and the option should appear somewhere in between of favorites and muted accounts. If you can't find it, it may not be updated yet to your phone or your country, so we will have to report this problem to Instagram support. To do that, continue to scroll down until the end of the page where you will see more info and support. Here you will click on help and then click on this first report a problem option. Then some pop-up will appear. You will just have to click report a problem without shaking. It will then say, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? Press yes, include and continue, this blue button. And here you can explain what happened or what is not working. So you want to explain your problem, and it's no option to get old Instagram look before the update. So you can type in for example, I typed, so my Instagram didn't receive update where I want to get old Instagram look before the update. And you can just press send and it will report this problem to Instagram support. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.